Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix League of Legends won't update or it's stuck on infinite loading glitch. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here, if you use VPN, try to disable them and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to Riot Client, press on your profile icon on the top right, then exit or sign out, and then when you logged out, try to update the game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here next is to completely close on Task Manager Riot Client, Riot Client Services. Under the processes should be no VGJ, Vanguard, or Riot Client, right? And then what you need to do here is to go and search, and then you just need to write League of Legends, right click on it, open file location, and then again right click on it, open file location, and then here you should find a Riot Client Services. Copy the path, and then right click on it again, properties, and then compatibility. Make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run as admin is enabled here. Then go back to a Riot Games, then look for League of Legends, scroll down a bit until you see League Client, and then you just need to right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility. Make sure disable full screen optimizations is on, and run this program as administrator is on as well, and apply the changes. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select change settings, allow another app, browse, and just paste the path that we just copied and add Riot Client Services. And look if the problem persists. If you're getting this window, don't worry. This means that Riot Client is already added. Next thing what you need to do here, you just need to write config command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here, you just need to write ipconfig /flash DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. Then you can close this, go to settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do nothing. Then press on network and internet, scroll down a bit, advanced network settings, find your internet connection, expand the option, then go to more adapter options, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses. On preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like. So yeah.